See that nice clean line? There you go. Look at that. Let's see if we can get this out. That looks like slime or something. Nope. Alright, let's see if we can get this guy out. Not sure what it is. I think it's slime. Usually slime doesn't come out though. So I'm going to try some delimonene here. It's basically a citrus oil that comes from the rinds. It's extracted. And it tends to break up things if it is slime. It'll break up some of the adhesive out of there. And it actually is working. Whoa, look at all that glue coming out of there. See all that? That's all glue. Just melting away. So I'm going to spray a little bit more on here. And we'll give it a good rinse. Did I say spray more glue on here? I meant citrus. I don't know if I said that. Spray more citrus on the glue. Good Lord. It's too early. Wow, there's so much in there. Alright, let's see what happens. Slowly disappearing. I'm going to pull the handle here. It's going to be tricky. So don't mind the vibration. Alright, let's try again. A lot of rinse and repeat. Yeah, you can still feel it. It may not come out, but we'll keep trying. It just doesn't want to go anymore. Well, you could barely tell it was there now. I think we got it. We'll give it a rinse and stuff later. But it seemed that it just needed to be extracted by towel versus the machine. But look at that, much better. Check it out, guys. This is what we could do for you. Give us a call. Showing you how it's coming along. I bet you thought I was done. Nope, we still got to do some low moisture cleaning now. So I got a little bit out with the flushing. It looks great, but the thing is, when you do that hot water extraction, it comes right back looking terrible most of the time. So it's kind of, you know, with the different methods. There's a what you see is what you get method, and then there's the one where it looks great, and then when it dries, not so much. This method, the low moisture method, is indeed what you see is what you get. And I'm going to show you this pad when I'm done with it, how much soil is going to be on there. And you saw like me going over this room like crazy, and I'll show you the next room too. And it's going to show you that hot water extraction does not get all the soil. The only reason why I like hot water extraction is the flushing aspects of it. So if you go to a home where there's like excessive urine, like, you know, where the carpet really should be replaced, I'll go in with hot water extraction and get it out, but then I still 90% of the time will follow up with this. It's very rare that I won't. It just depends on the carpet. But here's this room. I'll show you the white room in a minute too, to show you what we got out of there. Let's see, moment of truth. It was just on this tiny amount of square foot in here, maybe about 100 square feet. Oh my goodness. There's what it should be. There's what it is. White, dark. I bet it's gonna come out black in this room. But see, this tells you there's always gonna be some soil left when you have it hot water extracted. Very rare, very rare. All right, we'll try this one and see what happens. I don't know if you remember, this was black. And all that soil is still living underneath there. So we're trying to pull some more up, do a little absorption to get the remaining stuff off of the fibers. Sometimes you just need the proper agitation and absorption versus just suction to get these kind of carpets clean. If you got a Berber carpet in your home, you got a commercial grade pile type of carpet, I recommend to stay away from hot water extraction if you can, and just have us do low moisture. You'll be happy that you did, because it's going to be a longer lasting clean, especially if you're on a slab, like a concrete slab or something, and you have it hot water extracted. You're asking for spots to just keep coming back over and over and over again. This is the way to prevent it. Moment of truth. It looked pretty white already, but we're in for a real treat. Oh yeah, look at that. If I flip it up, you can kind of see the white of it, or the white. But yeah, there's some soil in there. Definitely some soil. Not too bad though. I pretty much went over this one until the water was clear. We tried to make sure of that, but still a little bit in there. And again, I don't have to do this on every job, but many of them if they're, you know, restorative type of cleaning. This one was. So, cool. All right, on to the next room. But wait, there's more. Let's just finish up this little traffic pattern right here. I will show you what we got out of this one. Why not, right? Pull it over here. Let's take a peek, shall we? Holy moly. That was all in there. We're not going a bunch of light today, but we'll do a quick room so you can see. That's how we roll. Whenever we're done cleaning, we post groom on these plushy carpets. Helps it dry better. Makes it look kind of cool. You know, when I put the shark fins in there, or shark teeth. I don't know, I like it. This one's gonna need some vacuuming later. So all this fuzz just kind of coming up. So I pick up what I can. You can see some remaining spots that are here. They were really bad beforehand. I don't know if you remember. But I don't know, I'll show some before and afters at the end of this. You tell me what you think. I don't want to step on it, but I can reach around in there and show you. There's where that blue spot was, much better. It should disappear when it dries. You remember this being the black colored room. You can see shadows here. It's actually very clean in here, just the shadows. Getting dark outside, it's about to rain. There's this one. This was covered in spots. They're mostly gone. And then same with this one. It was covered with slime. Most of it's gone. It's starting to show some wear and tear, really showing its age. It's quite a few years old, but really there's still a little bit of life left into it. When it dries, it's going to be much brighter, and it should stay good for about another year or two before it needs replaced. Replacement's definitely in the near future.